All right, so today we're gonna do the tuck and trim on this C8 Corvette. We're gonna show you what kind of sets us apart from your typical shop that may just install PPF, clear bra, and send it off. So what we have here is our basic tools for tuck and trim day. We've got a commercial hair dryer, which we're gonna use to post heat the edges to prevent as much lift as possible. There's a towel, some Bondo tint cards, some magnetic tuck tools for tucking, some painter's tape, some squeegees, a blade breaker, a couple blades, an offset blade, some tweezers, and an insulin syringe. Now, the reason we use painter's tape is because we don't want to get lost in ourselves, you know, working on this panel and then moving to the next panel and forgetting something. On the emblem, we try not to remove emblems too often, although we do if we think it's the right answer. Just little tiny edges that we want to make sure that are laid down and settled into place. And a lot of people would tell you we don't want to, you know, we don't show this kind of stuff because it looks like it's, you know, we're not doing a good job, but that's not true. This is typical of just about any install. And then you'll see here, we did a bulk installation on this mirror, so we'll be trimming this back. This is all excess film. And then we also cut, we're gonna have to do this for both doors, I'm sure, but the client asked us to custom cut a little kick panel piece here. Pretty much, I got an idea of what we're looking for, and we've got it all sorted out. So it takes a lot of practice to get straight. You might imagine this is the lightest pressure. And clear bra is pretty thick, it's 8 mil thick, so see, as you can see here, see I'm trying to pull away and it's actually not through enough. So it is scored, which I can see it. So I'll pull it away. See, there we go. So once you get it started, it'll kind of peel back.